Okay, Lukey, take your time.
Just let Deuce there. Tell me how to play it. Just keep up with him. So we're going to keep going down now. Go down rivers.
Slowly but steady. Oh.
Start the timer, somebody. I got it.
Okay, I just did it.
I'm just checking.
Oh.
Oh, man.
What the happened?
Got that, baby. I got it, Lukey. What's up, Billy?
Going under. I meant to move it. I moved it in the worst.
Like just in case if he steps on it or something. Can you help with it?
Oh, he's got to do it himself. Oh,
Sure, just do it. You got it.
stop. Nice and slow.
Going to hit the pause button, or maybe I shouldn't. All right, I'm going to hit the pause for a moment.
Down.
Want some room?
I don't know where I'm supposed to be.
I'm going to hit pause.
Okay. Go slow, go. I don't know, do you go slow or fast? It was the watermelon. He came after the watermelon.
One of you, Mike, tight.
Yep.
Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Serena or Mike need to come hold this bag.
Oh God, I'm not responsible for that. Mikey, you come hold the fish. I'm not.
Okay. You're gonna sit right where I'm. No, I want you right where I'm at. Yep. Okay. I want you to put your hand just like mine. Inside of mine? Nope, inside. Grip it like it's a fist, like you're making a fist. Okay. You want to take us to shore? If he goes to run, Mike, just let go of him.
Okay.
Do not take the hook out of it.
And tell Luke what to do if he runs.
Fight it like you're fighting a fish.
Yeah. It's bigger than the one I got before, right?
It's huge.
Yeah. It's not 6 feet.
It's 6
Oh,
feet.
it's definitely 6.
Okay, now I want you to put your 4 fingers right where that hook is.
Yep.
Yep, right there, just like that. Grab it like it's a fist. Make a fist maker.
Make a fist.
Yep, right there. Pull hard
Right
and make a fist. Yep, got it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, come on over to more shallow water, Luke.
I appreciate that. We should all get in there.
Yeah. Okay. You want to keep filming?
He's gonna want to flop.
No.
You want to?
As soon as you flip him, he's gonna try to flop.
Wait a minute.